Okay guys, so I just completed the achievement, or whatever you guys want to call it. As you can see, it says 2409. I guess it just fixed up the amount I had, because I think I had like 26, somewhere around there. But yeah, I just fixed it up, and once I get home and just complete this last delivery right here, I'm going to show you guys the tips and tricks on how I did it. Fix the cam, man. So I didn't get no haircut, man. Don't judge me, bro. I'm looking kind of rough. But what's going on, guys? I am back, and today I just want to talk about how I made this much. This $66 in a matter of maybe 2 hours or 3 hours. Let me check. I started roughly around 10:53, as you can see right here. Let me focus it. So as you can see, I started around 10:53. This is like a tip, right? And then the delivery, just says right there at 10:26, but the achievement actually starts around 10:30, so that one didn't count. So I started around 10:53. So yeah, about 3 hours, and I barely got the guaranteed earnings. It filled it to 24, as you can see, and that's how I made 66 bucks in like 3 hours. Some tips I can give you guys right now is basically, if you are in the Los Angeles area, I know it tends to get a little busy up there in the Hollywood area and Beverly Hills area and the Santa Monica area right there towards the beach. What I mostly do is avoid those areas, because I've noticed that when I do go to those areas, I can never find parking, and I mean, just too much traffic, man, like too much. So I usually stay around this area. Let me show you guys the Manhattan Beach area right there on the Pacific Coast Highway. So this is where I usually stay at, right passing Hawthorne. As you can see right here, I go around this area. Is not too busy, it's just right. You'll be able to complete your orders quick. Trust me, man. You do not want to go up here, man. It's too busy. Just stay around here and you're pretty good to go. Another tip that I advise everyone to do is to stay parked at one spot, guys, where you know you're gonna pick up a delivery. So there's this place called The Point, where it's really close to Manhattan Beach actually, and I stay parked in the parking lot because it's one big old plaza, right? It's called The Point. There's a variety of food places there, and I usually just stay parked right there. It does tend to get a little busy around 11:30, and starts easing down like around, I'm gonna say 2 or maybe 1, but it does get busy around that time, and it gives you just the perfect amount of time to gather up those deliveries and you know, get that guaranteed money, get the $50 for 8 deliveries. And another thing that you guys want to do is familiarize yourself with the places there. So I know there's the Tokoya, whatever it's called, Tokoya, I don't know, guys, correct me if I'm wrong. There's Mendocino Farms, there's Press Juicery, there's I'm just naming these restaurants because I usually get the most pickups from there. So Tokoya, whatever it's called, that restaurant, man, you can pick up one delivery, and the next thing you know, another delivery comes in, and now you're delivering to 2 places. So I mean, the more deliveries you can pick up, the better. So, and I usually do Mendocino Farms because I mean, it is, you do place the order manually, right? You know, it's not a pickup where you show up and you just pick up the order, but once you place the order, you're waiting there for your order, you usually can pick up another order from a different restaurant like Tokoya, because it's right there next to it. So That really does work too. That's why I usually pick up that one, and I usually get high orders too. So it's not only about picking up the most orders, right? You know, you might fail. You might not get that 8 deliveries and that $50 that you want. So you always want to go to those restaurants, because I'm guaranteed, guys, one of your clients are gonna tip good, guys. That's why I usually tend to go to those restaurants. They tip pretty good. And another thing, so say right when you pick up an order, right, it shows where the place is and where you're delivering to, right? There's like a dot. Like, I know you guys know what I'm talking about, right? And if it's like far away, guys, you want to avoid that, especially if you're like there during the busy hours. You want to avoid driving a long distance, right? You want to stay right there in that whole perimeter, right? You don't want to leave that area, because it does get busy. Once you leave, man, once you pick up a delivery and you go far away, there's going to be other Postmates couriers picking up deliveries that you could have gotten, and their deliveries, I mean, they're right there at the point, right? They could be picking up like 3 deliveries or 2, right? And that's something you could have gotten, but you missed out on because you took the delivery that's far. So you know what I'm saying, guys? You get me? Yeah, you have to be patient, man. The deliveries do come in, I would say around, because I usually stay there early, right? I'm usually like there at 10, right, at the point, parked right there waiting for deliveries. And a cool thing is, I usually always pick up an Apple store delivery. Those are really good right there, especially if you're in the Los Angeles area. And if you're at the point, you guys know what I'm talking about. The Apple deliveries, they give you a bonus of $4. So anyone can be ordering from, you know, from far away. I picked up 2 actually, I think last week. One was near the LAX area, and then I had to deliver another one all the way over there in Marina Del Rey. So that delivery ended up being like around $30, guys. Yeah, actually. So you could make good amount of money right now. I know Postmates changed up their minimum payout. It's not $4 anymore. I think it's 3 now or something like that. But I mean, stuff happens, right? So as you can see, let me show you guys again the 66 right here. Let's see. So I might just cash that out right now. Cash out. Yeah. There you go. You do want to go to the hotspot areas. You don't want to stay anywhere where there aren't any hotspot areas. Just avoid those super busy areas like Beverly Hills, Hollywood, especially if you're in the LA area. Drop some comments down below where you guys are postmating at, and maybe I can help you guys. But one thing's for sure is you do have to go to those hotspot areas that you see on the map and just go for it, right? And another thing you guys have to realize is that $66, guys, that I currently have, that's before tips, right? The tips come in the day after, or when, you know, my clients decide to tip me. So this could potentially be more, guys. I mean, this can be brought up to 80, 100 a day, right? In 3 hours if the tips come in the next day. But so far it's $66. I'm guaranteed. I mean, you're guaranteed to get at least 1 tip if you have, you know, great service or whatever. I mean, you just have to be quick and on time, right? Another tip to do, man, say you do pick up an order, right when you get the order, right, that's when you want to confirm that you don't want to confirm that you have it right there, right when you get in your car, you know you have everything set up. That's when you press on complete your delivery. Then it'll show the routes to your client's house. And another thing you guys could do if you guys want to make money quickly, especially if you guys are just starting off on Postmates, use my code right here. Here, let me go ahead and zoom in on this. I'll focus in on it. It's also going to be down in the description below. As you can see, I will earn up to $150 for every 110 deliveries completed by you guys. So you complete 110 deliveries and I will earn $150. You guys will earn $700 or something like that. And another thing, guys, I don't want you guys to feel all discouraged, man. Like, oh, what the hell? This seems impossible. I don't think I'm ever gonna reach this, man. 8 deliveries, bro. How the hell do people do this? That's exactly how I used to think, man. When I was first doing Postmates, I'm never gonna reach. How the hell am I gonna do 8 deliveries, bro? Like, I can barely pick up one. Just give it time, man. Pretty much you will familiarize yourself with the whole like basically perimeter and the whole basically where you deliver, right? So I don't for me, LA, I usually deliver around the Point and Manhattan Beach, so I'm familiar with that area. So once you're just familiar, dude, with your whole area, you're good to go, man. You'll be able to know where places are at. You'll pick up deliveries quicker. You'll be more efficient, more quick, and that's all I really have to say, man. I hope you guys do, or I hope you guys did enjoy this video, because I was dropping some knowledge, man, some stuff you don't even see on YouTube. So right now I'm about to go just chill, man. I'm over here just dressed up, you know. I'm about to hit the club or something. Nah, just playing, guys. But definitely like the video, man. Subscribe if you are new. Leave a comment down below. I answer to most of you guys. You guys already know that, man. I'm real. No other YouTuber doing this, man. I haven't seen like a YouTuber post, or a Postmates courier slash YouTuber, whatever you want to call them, actually post their the time where they complete that achievement, right? I don't think I've ever seen a video like that where they you know, complete the 8 deliveries for 50 bucks. So if this is the first, man, that's pretty cool. Dropping knowledge. But yeah, make sure you do like the video, subscribe again so you can say you've been here since the beginning, since the struggle, guys, because we're coming up. And that's pretty much it. It's been your boy Anthony, and I'm out. Peace.